How to turn off screen overlay detected error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how you can turn off screen overlay detected error. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also, press the bell icon so you get notified for when we release a new video. Now without any further ado, let's jump right into it. To turn off screen overlay detected error, you will need to disable the draw over other apps, or also known as display over other apps permission. For that, first you'll need to navigate to your settings. So locate your phone's main setting app and then open it up. On your settings, you'll need to search for apps, then go to the apps settings. Then scroll down from here till you see Special App Access. Tap on Special App Access. From here you will find Display over other apps or Draw over other apps option. So this basically allows apps to appear on top of other apps. So you can tap on it. And from here you'll need to identify the culprits. Look for apps with floating widgets, chat heads, or screen color changers like Messenger or any screen recorders that you have. So locate it, and after you find it, open it up and make sure that this is toggled off. Disable the permission, tap on each of the suspect app and then turn off this option. After you've done that, you can relaunch the app that you were trying to use and grant permissions normally if error returns, and repeat the process to find the specific app causing it and disable it. And doing that will fix your problem. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more. Bye bye.